two half eggs and tomorrow. So that's that one is actually. Apa can I be I have lots of potatoes. I'm going to be using this. The carbonara. This is the Buldak. I'm just going to let that boil. Hello. You guys miss me? Do you miss me? I miss everybody. I'm just so I had a long trip today. Last week, back and forth. I just got back from a trip to Portsmouth. I don't know what my stand. I think I need to get a new stand at this point. I do have another, but I can't figure out where it is. So yeah, I did go to Portsmouth. I did go to Portsmouth. My sister's graduation, and then we threw a birthday party for my brother. So yeah, I'm here now, and I'm hungry. I did try the carbonara noodles. I didn't put how I cooked it because I was on TikTok live, so you're just gonna see the end product. I did put like the beginning, but not the entire process. So this is my meal. So that's chicken, egg, noodles. I have this monster. I don't think I've had this flavor before. This is supposed to be ultra strawberry drip, strawberry flavor. You can see it. You see strawberry flavor. Then I have one banana. I had a feeling I should have made this video since I got back, but I did order the things I needed stuck up my fridge on delivery up, and then all of a sudden my order wasn't complete, and I had to request for a refund and then reorder it again, and yeah, it's just a really chaotic thing for me today. So yeah, I am hungry, and I'm gonna be eating, and as usual watching a movie. But don't you worry, the movie is not gonna, I know I'm not straight, but you guys are just gonna, I'm just gonna be watching a movie I have watched before, and I'm not gonna, there's not gonna be sound. Let's start before my food gets cold. I feel like this is so far. I don't know if it's my camera is not here, so what's the lighting? I don't know, but I feel like so there's cheese. Mozzarella cheese, my favorite type of cheese. spicy, but it's not, honestly. I've tried, I eat the Buldak original, and I've tried it 2 times, and the 2 times a bit more spicy than the original, but still not that spicy that you can't contain it now. But you have to look for ice cream now. Speaking of ice cream, I do have ice cream in my fridge, but I'm not gonna take ice cream today because I have drink. Just because I took lots of chunks while on my way because I couldn't eat food. Egg. I really pray this thing doesn't sound. I don't know. I feel like it's still too loud. I'm gonna be eating the chicken last just because it's gonna get messy. One thing I like about Buldak ramen is the way it is. I like the shape. I'm sorry, brother. Oh yes, there's bacon. Let's have a double jump this. That's I taste. First impression. It's really nice, but I'm trying to figure out if I can taste the strawberry. Excuse me, but unfortunately I don't think I can. I can't taste the strawberry. I'm trying to, but I can't. Probably I just don't know the taste of strawberries then. But it's really nice. I like it. I like that it's not tangy. Like that's not so tangy though. It's nice. is my favorite. After this is gonna be, I think, the chef's the orange one or so. But I've drank that, it's on my channel. I got out on that with what's her name? BB, although that's not the one BB takes, like taking, because that one I couldn't find out, but she had taken that one before and gave good review, and I saw it and I tried and I did like it. Yeah, so I really like this one. It is really fruity and I like it. Almost the last one. So I have this. I'm just gonna dip it in the sauce and see if it's gonna taste nice. sleeping. Not because the food is spicy, but I guess because I'm stressed. Let me crush it. This video is so long. Trying to see if I know where the lip gloss. I use this.